How to download application from Google Play Store in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the Google browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. And in the top search box, simply type WSA builds. In the results at the top, you will see the official GitHub website. Simply click on it. While the site is loading, simply check the requirement of your system. So go to the start bar and type turn Windows feature on or off. Then after click on open beside it. Once this tab open, you simply need to search for virtual and now you simply need to toggle on that feature. Simply click on it and click on OK. After that, go to the website that we opened earlier and download the stable version of WSA builds. After you do so, extract your file and then you will see the application which allows you to download all the application from Google Play. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.